Welcome to Dominic Developer. Yesterday we have discussed about operators, in which we have studied about different type of operators. Today we will learn about, you will study about control statement. What are control statements? For this I will give you an example of voting. What happens in voting? If candidate is greater than 18, he can vote easily. Am I right? If a candidate is greater than 18, then he can vote easily. But if a candidate is less than 18, candidate is less than 18, he or she can't vote. Can't vote. Am I right? Same happens in programming language. In JavaScript, if value is true, then some scope are given. The statement written, the value given in that scope will be run. Otherwise, it will skip it. I will give you coding demo on it. If first of all, what is syntax of effects? So it is simple. We will give one value n. Const n. What is const? I have taught you. If this is syntax for it, this is condition. If n is greater than 18, sure, then cout console.log log applicable. Otherwise, console.log not applicable. What is given in it? That if the value of console means if the value of n, the constant given in it n is greater than 18, sure, then he can vote. He is applicable to vote. Otherwise, he is not applicable to vote. Am I right? So I will give a demo on it. Wait. First of all, let me attach it. For attaching, we use simply source script. Sorry, demo.js. Sure. Or here we have given two statements. Either it will be applicable or it will be not applicable. So we will see that is the value is applicable or not applicable. We have written one value, and we are accepting that it will print not applicable. Let's watch that what it will print. So here you can see that the value is printing not applicable. If I will make n is equals to 19, sorry, n is equals to 19, 119 or 19, it is 119. So as you can see, it is printing applicable. So the conclusion is that if we want a value to print with a condition applied, so we use control statements, that is if else switch statements. switch statements. I will clear your doubts on switch statement in next video. So I accept that I hope that you all understand what is a control statement in case of switch if else statements. So tomorrow I will give you video on if else and if else demo plus switch statement. If else demo will be somewhat lengthy, and a switch statement will be simple. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.